Hey everyone, how's it going? So this video is an introduction to this Mauviel French carbon steel omelet pan, or at least I use it as an omelet pan. I've seen a couple of other videos on YouTube about how to season this thing, and I have I think it's a 12-inch pan of the same type for reference, and this is a Lodge 8-inch cast iron skillet. I've seen some other videos on YouTube about how to season these things, and I just wanted to share my experience. Basically, seasoning this thing just takes months and months of cooking with it. Once you get it in the mail or when you buy it, right after you buy it, you have to strip the wax off and then do a normal first seasoning, which just involves coating it in some kind of oil and then sticking it in the oven. And that's fine, that'll get it ready to use, but in order to get this black sort of seasoning layer on it that acts as kind of a non-stick coating, you just have to use it for a long time. I think I've had this one for maybe 9 months, almost a year, something like that. And I'm just gonna make a quick omelet with some pancetta and a couple of eggs to show you how it works. I'm gonna be using butter for this omelet. And it's important to use butter when you're cooking as well. It really gets into the pan and helps produce that nice black layer of seasoning. So I'm going to mount the camera and just cook a little bit and see how this video turns out.
So this pancetta is pretty salty already, so I'm not going to add salt until the eggs go in.
And it's just kind of rendering in its own fat, which helps the seasoning as well. So this one.
Control the heat a little bit. And this will take a few minutes.
So anyways, my technique is not the best, but the point is the pan, you know, essentially behaves like a non-stick when you put a little bit of butter in there when you're cooking an omelet. Yeah, it just takes time. It takes, you know, several months of cooking with it. And of course you can cook classic French omelets or just kind of scrambles like I just did. Or you can cook, you know, stir fry or chicken or whatever. And as long as you give it enough lubrication, it'll be relatively non-stick. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.